Hello everyone, welcome to Plutus Education. In this video, we are discussing about what are the key differences between CMA-US and CMA-India. सबका एक ही डाउट है, CMA-US करें या CMA-India करें, क्या करें, क्या डिफरेंस है? So guys, you are on the right video. In this video, I am going to clarify all your doubts. Myself, Samarth Bhatia, and I am a qualified member of CMA-US body as well as CMA-India body. So let's start with the key differences. So the very first difference is, what is CMA-India? So CMA-India stands for Cost and Management Accountant. So this is the degree mainly governed by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Now the next degree is CMA-US. So CMA-US stands for Certified Management Accountant, and that is governed by Institute of Management Accountants of US. Now the next is eligibility. So if you want to start with CMA-India, so the basic criteria is you have to be just 12th pass and you can start with your degree of CMA-India. But for CMA-US, guys, it is very important to take the certificate. You have to be a graduate person. But graduation karte hue, you can start with your examination. Means while doing your graduation, you can start giving your exams. The next point is examination structure. So what is exam structure? So for CMA-India, it is divided into 3 parts. You have to go with foundation, then intermediate, and finally there is a final level. And for final level, you have to take 15 months of articleship. Then only you can go over final level. And for CMA-US, there are just 2 parts. Mainly part 1 is completely, I would say, accounting topics will be involved, like external financial reporting statements, then cost and management accounting is there. And in part 2, I would say finance topics are included, like corporate finance, ratio analysis, decision analysis. These topics will be included. Now let's start with the next topic, duration. So what is duration? So very important question. If you are taking some decision like kya kare, kya na kare, so duration is very important. So for CMA-India, it takes up to 3 to 4 years, I would say. 3 years is minimum. When you are passing all your papers throughout, it will be 3 years minimum, and it can go up to 4 years. And when I am talking about CMA-US, I would say 2 parts, going to be simple. So if we take minimum time, it can be 6 months as well, but on an average basis, 10 to 12 months it will take to complete both of your parts. So the next topic is exam window. So in CMA-India, I would say there are 2 windows, one in June and the second is in December. So you can appear for your exams once in June and second is in December for your foundation, inter and final level. In case of CMA-US, I would say there are 3 windows. Means first window will open in January and in February. So you can give your exam in January and February. You have to look for the dates and accordingly book your exams. Then the second window is in May and June, and the third window is in September and October. So now the next main question, कितने marks चाहिए pass होने के लिए? For CMA-India, you need 40% individually. मतलब एक subject में 40% और on an average basis 50% marks चाहिए. Suppose you are going for foundation, so overall 50%, for inter overall 50, and for final as well the same percentage. But in case of CMA-US, it is little tough. Means the number of marks required to pass is little tough, and that will be like total paper is of 500 marks and you need at least 360 marks to pass. And one more thing, for MCQ and for essay type, there is a different pass percentage. So passing marks are very easy. You have to get just 40 and 50, but passing percentage is very tough. Guys, it is just 6 and 10% for CMA-India, 6 to 10% just. And for CMA-US, you can say 40 to 50%. It is very high. So you can expect that out of 100, you can be the part of 40 to 50% students. Because out of 100, 40 or 50 will pass. So now the next question is exam pattern. So in CMA India, mainly the pattern is very simple. Like first foundation level is completely MCQ based, and for inter and final I would say there will be subjective questions will be there. Some 10-20% MCQs will be there, remaining are subjective. But in case of CMA-US, the first 100 questions are MCQ based. So I would say 75% of the paper is MCQ based and remaining 25% paper is essay type. In essay type you will be getting just 2 questions. So this is the examination pattern for CMA-US and India. Now the next very important question which every student is looking for, salary package. What salary you will be getting after completing CMA India, after completing CMA US. So for CMA India, I would say an average package of 6 to 10 lakhs. For a fresher, it can go from 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs. So it depends. For CMA US, I would say it is nearly same, but for professional students, I would say it will be little higher because they already have some experience, so they can gain better package in comparison to the fresher students. So this is like a package. So now the next question can be, what is the fees? See guys, CMA India is, I would say it will cost you approx 60 to 70,000, which is actually charged by Cost Accountant Institute. In case of CMA US, it can go from 1 lakh to 1.5 lakhs. It will be charged by IMA Institute. So this is about the fees structure. So guys, these all are the key differences between CMA US and CMA India. Now it will be easier for you to choose which you want to do. So if you have more doubts, you can write in the comment section or you can fill the guidance form. Our team will connect with you. So this is all for my side. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the video.